Okay, so we are Matthew Choi and Alberto Bengo, and then this is our project for our logic design course. It is a four-way stoplight controller with crosswalk functionality. The point of this project is a working example of everything that we've learned throughout our logic design course. It is going to be an application of our Verilog code into our basis board hardware. We have our design process that we built from the ground up. So we started with our finite state machine, and then we built our high-level state machine, which we use to kind of guide our code into our implementation for the board. And then so pretty much what it's doing right now, those two lights are representations of our street lights. The two lights on the left are our east and west lights, and the two lights on the right are our north and south lights. The lights are alternating between each other for 3-second intervals, which I can demonstrate once it switches. And then for our crosswalk functionality, it'll also switch into this light right here, which will represent the crosswalk. This is a single light on the left, which goes on for 5 seconds before it switches into the next state. So I can demonstrate that time as well. For our design, we have it set so that once we push the button and it goes into the cross state, it will stay in that state for 5 seconds, and then it'll go on to the next light. So what we have right here is the north and south streets going, and then once we press the button, it'll go into a crosswalk. And then once that is over, it'll go into the east and west lights, as shown right here. The entire loop will continue as necessary every single time if you want to cross. And then the street lights will continue to go in a loop until the button is pressed once again for a cross.